All right, so jumping in with our first example, we're going to look at the orthopedic market. Now, let's just imagine that you've created a tool that will help people with help doctors specifically to perform rotator cuff surgeries. Now, at the very high level, you have the TAM, which is the total addressable market, which is the market for all US orthopedic soft tissue repair. Within that market, there's the uh, addressable market that's more focused on soft tissue fixation, right? The type of thing that your tool actually helps with. And then within that, there's an obtainable market that's specific to rotator cuff repair, ankle repair, Achilles, ligaments. Now, among those three different pieces, you're going to have to decide which is really the beachhead market that you could go after, right? Are you going to be trying to tackle rotator cuff repairs, ankle repairs, or Achilles knee ligament repairs? So here's another example that we could take a look at. Here we're taking a look at the entire senior market, right? All of the products and services that are bought by 44 million seniors add up to $200 billion, right? Now, let's just say that you are in a place where you've created a product that will help seniors to stay in their homes longer instead of going into long term care, right? Of those 44 million seniors, there are 12 million that are spending $60 billion a year on long term care. Now, the obtainable market is of those 12 million seniors, there are 1.8 million seniors where your $5,000 solution that will help them to stay in their homes is actually a right fit. And then diving deeper is the actual beachhead market. And those are the folks that have the ability to buy the services that you have, or for whatever different reasons, there might be little niches within your SOM where there's a very specific problem that you're solving.